Hello all, welcome to EC Electronics. In today's video, we are going to see a very big recruitment update from Indian Air Force. So, Indian Air Force has given the notification for AFCAT. It is Air Force Common Admission Test. So, here the biggest attraction is that the salary that they are offering is above 75,000 and it is applicable for any graduates. So we are going to see all the details about this recruitment update from Indian Air Force. We'll be seeing what is the eligibility criteria, what is the test pattern, what is the syllabus that you have to study. So if you are interested, please do watch this video till the end. Also, if you are seeing the channel for the first time, please make sure you subscribe to the channel and follow us on our Instagram page. So this is AFCAT, which is Air Force Common Admission Test, and here they are hiring for the next batch of training, which will be happening from July 2023. Okay, and the exams will be happening on August month of this year. Okay, so this is going to be the case. Exam will be happening on August and the training will start from next year, July. Okay, so here they are mainly hiring for three different categories: flying, ground duty technical, and ground duty non-technical. It is applicable for both men and women, and there is many openings. Okay, now let's see what is the eligibility criteria. For flying branch, the age limit is 20 to 24 years and both men and women can apply. And for ground duty technical and non-technical, age limit is 20 to 26 years. And if you are below 25 years, you should be unmarried. This is the criteria. Okay. Now, the educational qualification is for flying branch, they are hiring for +2 with maths and physics. So in +2, you should have studied maths and physics subject. It is mandatory. And graduates or PBTech candidates, means any graduation is eligible. And for your graduation, you need to have minimum 60%. So this is the case for flying branch. Okay, I'll say it once again. For flying branch, you should be having +2 with maths and physics. It is mandatory, and graduation 60%. These things is mandatory. Okay. Next, for ground duty technical, they are hiring mainly two branches, electronics and mechanical. And for the case of electronics, in +2, again, you should have studied maths and physics, and 50% mark is required. Okay, so +2 with 50% mark in maths and physics. And nextly, for graduation, minimum 60% mark is required. Okay, and the branches that are eligible are mostly all streams of electronics is eligible. Applied electronics, communication engineering, computer engineering, and computer science and IT, all the streams they have included in the electronics branch itself. Okay, computer science, IT, all these branches they have included in electronics. Okay, yeah, then spacecraft, engineering, physics, electrical power and machinery, all these streams are eligible. Now you can see the streams that are eligible on the screen. Okay, so a lot of streams is eligible from electronics. Now, talking about ground duty mechanical, so here again they are asking for +2 with 50% minimum mark, and maths and physics both are mandatory. Now, for your graduation, minimum 60% mark is required, and the streams that are eligible are mechanical engineering and automation, mechanical engineering, production, mechatronics, industrial engineering, and a lot of other streams related with mechanical. Okay, you can see the streams on the screen. So these are the streams or branches that are eligible for ground duty technical. Next, for the ground duty non-technical wing, they are mainly hiring for three category: accounts branch, administration and logistics, and education. So here they are mainly hiring people from the non-technical background, like any 3-year graduation or BCom. And here for your graduation, 60% mark is mandatory and +2 is mandatory. So +2 plus 60% mark in graduation. Okay, this is the requirement. You can see the requirements on the screen. Okay, so these are the three categories for which they are broadly hiring people: flying branch, ground duty technical, and ground duty non-technical. Talking about the selection process for AFCAT. So the selection process of AFCAT consists of 2 tests and then interviews. Okay, so the tests are, there is a test which is called AFCAT itself. It is a common test and it is applicable for all the branches. And then there is another test which is called EKT, that is Engineering Knowledge Test. This Engineering Knowledge Test is only for technical backgrounds, that is ground duty technical branch only. Okay, So talking about this EKT, there is a separate playlist in our channel for EKT electronics. Okay, so ground duty technical recruitment is happening for mainly two streams, electronics and mechanical. For the electronics stream, there is a separate preparation playlist in our channel, so you can go and watch that playlist if you are preparing for it. Okay, now talking about the test patterns and all. Okay, so the exam will be happening on August 26, 27 and 28. Now talking about the exam subjects which you have to study. For the AFCAT exam, it is a common exam for all the recruitments. There is questions from general awareness, verbal ability, English ability, numerical ability, reasoning and military aptitude test. 2-hour duration test, it is 100 questions and 300 marks. Okay. And for EKT, that is engineering knowledge test, it is only for the technical branches. There will be questions from mechanical, electronics, electrical and computer science. Okay. So time duration is 45 minutes, 50 questions and 150 is the marks, maximum marks. Now for the exam, the marking scheme is like this. There is 3 marks for correct answer and 1 mark will be deducted for the wrong answers given. Okay. So this is the case. If you pass AFCAT, then for the technical branches, you have to give EKT. For the non-technical branches like flying and ground duty, non-technical, you don't have EKT. Only the engineering streams like mechanical, electrical, these people have EKT. Okay. Now, the exam syllabus they have given in very detail, what is from numerical ability, what you have to study, from English, what you have to study. Everything they have given in detail in this notification. So you can go to the notification and you can study it according to the syllabus. Okay. So these are the important details about AFCAT. It is a very good or an interesting recruitment because the salary that they are offering is very good and it is applicable for both men and women candidates. The last date is 30th of June, so try to apply for it as soon as possible. Read out the notification. I have given you all the important details. Anyway, just read out the notification once. Check for your age limit, your stream of education, marks, percentage and all. And if you are eligible, please try to apply for it. The application link I'll be putting separately below the notification. Click on the link and apply for it before 30th of June. Okay. And then start your preparations for AFCAT and then EKT. Okay. So also make use of our playlist and videos for EKT electronics preparations. So that's all for today's video. I'm really hoping that you found the content useful. If yes, like the video and share the video with your friends. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.